Hi friends, this is your blend about Dinesh. Today I'm going to show you how to create my favorite YouTube subscribe animation. So let's start. For that we need to download SVG files. So you can find the link where to download that SVG file. So let's open. For that we need to go to this file menu to import here scalable vector graphics. So click that one and open. I have downloaded already, so let me open that one. Yeah, open. Scale it too small, so click that one, scale. Okay, now when you click this SVG file, you can find three curves. One curve for this outer circle, second curve for this button, and third curve for this triangle. So let's rename those things. So click this one, outer circle, change outer, okay, and this one. So let's change by double click the new button. Change this into triangle. Okay, okay. So here, if we want to move this, if we want to do anything with these three, we need to join these three, and we need to apply separate actions to this button and triangle. So for that we need to add an empty space to control this all three. Before that, let me show you why we need that empty sphere to control these three. So for an example, if we want to rotate these three, and we need to select and just here change the rotation -90 or something. This only one is rotated. Otherwise, we need to rotate separately. It's a time wasting method. So for that, we need to add that empty sphere to control this three. So let's add that empty sphere. Add empty sphere. Click that one. Let's go this top view. Okay. Move. Okay, let's move this sphere here. Grab. Just somewhere here. Okay. Okay, we can edit later the approximate center. We can edit later. Now let's rename this empty because we need this empty to be a first object. So rename that one. We type 0 in front of that one, so it will become first one. It's okay. Now click that empty, shift and click the last one. So all will be selected. And now we need to make this empty as a parent object. So type Control T and select this object. Now you can see all three curves became child objects into this empty. So empty is a parent object. So we can rotate, we can move by just click this empty only. Just rotate like this. All will be rotated, and we can move also. All will be moved. It's okay. Now let's rotate. Before that, we cannot see this button and triangles properly. So let's give, and it's a thin object. So let's give some thickness for those three. So click this outer. Let's make this outer first one. So rename outer one. Okay. Button second, triangle cut. Okay. Now select this outer and go to this modifier properties and add a modifier solidify. You see when I click solidify, the default thickness is 0.01, so change it, it's 0.001. That's enough. Okay, and select this button, give a modifier solidify, change into thickness, change the thickness into 0.001, and okay, and select the triangle and do the same, solidify. And now let's move these things, this button and triangle, away from this main outer circle. So click this button, grab along z axis here, and triangle, grab along z axis like this. It's okay. Now go to this front view here and top view this one. So let's rotate. Click this one, rotate along this way. So select this empty and we can rotate by type R and type our desired angle. Otherwise you can type here also. Okay, yeah, this is the front view. It's okay, and you can see this when I click this empty, the center point is somewhere here, and when I click this circle, center point here, and when I click this button, center point here somewhere. So let's make this the center points mean gravitational point. So change those things to this object. One okay. So click this outer circle and right click, set origin to geometry, and select this button, set origin, right click and set origin to geometry, and select this triangle, right click, set origin to geometry. Now it's okay. You see circles, outer circle's origin somewhere here, button's origin somewhere here, triangle origin somewhere here. So let's move these three somewhere here. So move, select these three and grab along X, grab along Z. Now it's okay. If we want to make subdivisions and bevels and other things, we need to make this each and every objects into mesh objects. So let me show you the difference. When we click this one and go to this edit mode, change this edit mode, or press tab, you see we cannot apply bevel and other things. So for that we need to change these objects into mesh objects. So leave this edit mode, go to object mode and right click, convert into mesh, and this one right click, convert into mesh, and the triangle also do the same. Now let's check this button. You see Now this is mesh object, so it's okay. Now we can apply, let's smooth this one. Right click and shade smooth. You see, we can control the angle by increase and decrease. See, so that go to edit mode, we can add this loop cut, and we can add a loop cut over here, like this. Okay. And leave edit mode and make this shade smooth, and we can edit, add a loop cut. Okay. Now it's okay. And let's change this positions, the gravity positions of each and every object to the center of those objects. So for that we need to go to the edit mode of tab and select all and grab along y-axis and leave edit mode and select this button, edit mode, select all, select all and grab along y. Okay, leave edit mode, do the same, edit mode, select, drag y. Okay, it's perfect. Leave edit mode. Okay, now let's give some materials to this shining and metal, like, so click this outer circle and go to this material properties, and if you want to change the color you can change. I'm going to give some metallic here. Okay, and roughness, let me reduce some roughness. Okay, and to the button also do the same, leave it white and increase the metallic, and reduce some roughness. Okay. Do the triangle also, increase metallic, reduce some roughness. It's okay. Okay, now let's add some text. So before that, save this one. So, and let's add some text. So go to this front view. In front view, let's make this one before this top of this x-axis. So click this one, grab along that axis. Here. So now we can make animations by rotating or leave it in this position. Just go to this properties, object properties. In this position, put a keyframe. So type I and type I, and 90. Okay, 60. Move this one somewhere here. So grab along x-axis somewhere here. Okay, and rotate, leave it 90 and rotate this way. Yes, rotate this into 360. Okay, and type I again, and now let's play. Yeah, it's okay. Let's play. It's okay. And in 100, in 60, go to dope sheet. Here you can see here, click this one and dope sheet, and object transformation, empty action. So this, select this and type T and give bounce. Now let's check. Go to edit mode, go to 3D viewport, and let's play. Yeah, it's bouncing. Okay. To do that, we need to go here and dope sheet and this empty action. So select all. There is only action for those empty. So select all and type T, and here this one bounce. You can check each and everything later. I gave this bounce because I need that one, so it's okay. So go to 3D viewport again.